Hi there and welcome to this video, and we're going to be talking about a website called PayRib. PayRib is a place where apparently you can make some money from simply watching ads online. Now that sounds really easy. Is it really worth your while? I actually signed up for this website. I took it for a test drive. I'm going to show you exactly what happened, how it all works, and we're going to talk a bit about reviews also, and then I'm going to give you my final judgment whether this site is worth your time and your effort. So let's first go and check out the website. Alright, so here we are at the official payrib.com website. Put cash in your wallet during free time, get paid by keeping your eyes watching new offers and services from advertisement companies during your spare time. Get started, earn for your regular online activities. Here's how: build your profile, serve ads, you get paid, and you learn more. Discover multiple reward options. These are all the payment methods, and we're going to talk more about it later on. And there's various, they also have a referral program where you can earn more money, and I'll talk about that as well. And these are the various partners. So as you can see, the website is a pretty plain website. Have you noticed here there is no owner information? There's also, if you click on about, I think there might be something here. Oh yeah, why we pay your companies want you to focus on new offers by viewing online ads with your typical browsing habits. Okay. I am thrilled to present our top tier company from Brooklyn, North Dakota, connecting promoters and helping. Okay, so they do give a name here, Charlie Hurst, CEO and co-founder, but it would be great if there was a picture of the guy and maybe sharing some more stories on the PayRib website. So this is the PayRib website in a nutshell. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you make money from actually watching these ads and how it all works. Okay, so here we are in the dashboard area of my account. As you can see, I've earned $22.79. Now when you sign up, it's free. When you sign up, I think they give you a $7 free bonus startup, and it's a very plain dashboard area. It's very easy to navigate your way around here, and like they said, you get paid from watching ads. And there's really three main ways you're going to actually get paid regarding the ads. The first is the normal ads, and for instance, look at this one here where you earn 55 cents just for watching a 29-second ad. So I'm going to show you how that works. When you click on take offer, then okay, I have got an antiviral software that prevents pop-ups in it, but nevertheless it says page problem, but just wait until it comes till the end over here, and then I'll show you what's going to happen next. Basically, these ads are around 34 seconds in length, and once it's completed, you just click on the complete button in the top, and then when you go back to your members area, as you can see now, my balance has gone up to $23.34, so it's credited with that extra amount, which is 55 cents. And that's basically how these basic ads work. Then you've got higher offers. Now higher offers, at the point in time when I tried, there was no higher offers for me, and these were more watching the ads of the big companies and that. And then there's challenges. Challenges is where you can also earn more. This is by completing more intense ad watching marathons. For instance, I completed this one here where you have to watch 30 website visits at a time, and you get credited with $3. If you can create a YouTube video talking about PayRib, they'll credit you from $7 up to $150. And then the other way is where you can unlock rewards. Now I don't have any rewards at the moment because I exhausted my amount of rewards for the day, and there I think I got paid about $5 or so, and it was also like just an introductory survey. So those are the main ways in which you can earn via watching ads. Then the other way is, of course, with their referral program. Okay, so now let's take a look at their referral program. Now it's always nice to earn a passive income, but exactly how much are you going to be earning if you refer friends and family to the PayRib website. Let me show you. So your friend joins PayRib using your invite link. So they give you an option to share it on Facebook, on social media, or on WhatsApp. And you earn $1 when your friend starts earning on PayRib, and your friend gets a $7 bonus. So that's a normal bonus that you get. Your friend gets a $7 bonus, but you get $1, but only when your friend starts earning. Now it doesn't tell you exactly what limit he has to reach before you really start earning that $1. And it doesn't mean that every time your friend earns that you earn. So they're not very clear about that. And furthermore, they are saying that you are rewarded 10% when your friend makes a withdrawal. Now, that brings me to the next point. How much do you have to make until you can process a withdrawal, a payment withdrawal? And if you click on payout options, it's going to show you all the options that you can choose to get paid for all your hard work of watching ads. And let's just say if you do PayPal, the minimum that you have to reach is $100. So if you select PayPal, obviously you're going to have to put your PayPal email address there. And as you can see, I have made so far only $23.34, right? And it will take me a while to get to that $100. Are people really happy with PayRib? Let's take a look at some of the reviews. Okay, so here I am at a website. It's called trustpilot.com, and at trustpilot.com they give you reviews of certain websites. And as you can see, they scored PayRib.com scored a very poor review rating, 2.1 out of 5 stars, and out of the 98 reviews, 69% gave it a 1 star. Let's see what people had to say. On January the 27th, so this was quite recent, after many months of working on the site, I have $106, including $90.131 from the advertiser section. The same message says that I cannot withdraw because I have not completed 90. Don't waste your time. It's a scam website. Wow, very nice earning this PayRib. Not 100%, but 1,000% a scam site. Stupid site. PayRib is a scam site. So as you can see, there is a lot of more negative reviews than there are of positive reviews. So what do I think? Is it going to be worth your while? Coming up next, I'm going to just talk quickly about the pros and cons, and then I'm going to give you my verdict on the payrib.com website. Alright, so now let's just talk about the positive and the negative parts about PayRib. The positive part is that it's very easy to sign up to this website. It's easy to do the task and navigate your way around there. It's pretty much straightforward on what you need to do to earn money. But the negative aspects is when it comes to watching the ads, there's not much of the high-end offers. You know, the ads that pay the money on a daily basis. There's not much high-profile surveys for you to do where you can earn more money. So you have to do a lot of these small tasks to earn very little money. Also, when it comes to the payout threshold, they got a very high threshold. So that means you have to do a lot of work just to get to the limit. And there's no guarantee as well that you're going to be getting paid that money, as we have seen from all the customer complaints. So there's also a lot of negative complaints. And that sums up the pros and cons of PayRib. Is it worth your while? Well, look, in my opinion, if it's something that you're looking to mess around with and maybe just earn a few bucks here and there, maybe then you can go ahead and give it a shot. But if you're looking at earning a sustainable income online, I don't think these sort of opportunities like watching videos or watching ads or doing online surveys, I don't think these sort of duties or tasks are going to get you to where you want to get. It's more of going up on a higher level where you need to equip yourself and you need to learn high income skills. And I'm talking about maybe investing the skills into building an online business. And this is where, when you're putting the time and the effort into something like this, you're going to get your return back. Obviously, it won't happen overnight. But if you look at a site like PayRib, after investing your time watching ads, there's no telling when they can shut it down, and all of your efforts in it is just gone. So if you're looking, like I said, in building something sustainable, then rather look at learning these skills so that your time and effort will not go to waste, and that what you are building is something that will reward you for the years to come. And if you are interested in learning more about that, then feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on a link that is in the video description, and it will show you what my #1 recommendations. It has helped me over the years. It has helped many other people as well, and perhaps it might be something that you might be interested in as well. Thanks so much for checking out my PayRib review. I hope that it has helped you out. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below this video, and I will get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can chat in my next video. See you, and wish you everything of the best. Goodbye.